There's a citation builder that's built into Google Docs that makes it very easy to cite your sources in APA format. So in my example here, my youngest daughter really likes parrots, so I'm going to use parrots as an example. And so I did some research on parrots, and I found that parrots first became pets in 1504. And so I want to make sure I cite that source because I really just paraphrased this first sentence. And so I want to make sure that I give credit where credit is due. So the way that I'm going to do that is the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to copy my URL from my site that I'm citing, my website that I'm citing. And then in Google Docs, I'm going to come over to where it says Tools. I'm going to click on Tools, and then I'm going to click on Explore. And in the search box up here, I'm going to put my website that I want to go to. And it will pull up my Parrots in History site, which is the same site here. And I can see here's the first line, it's the same, my URL is still the same. And so what I will do is then on these three dots right here, I can choose the format that I want to cite this in. So if you're going to do it in something else than science, you could use this for language arts too, where you might need to use a different kind of format. So if you need to use MLA in language arts, you can do that, but in science we use APA. So I'm going to click on APA, and then I just click on these little then I'm going to click on my quotation marks right here. I'm going to make sure that I have my cursor over here where I really want the citation to go. And it's going to give me a footnote or a note in here. And then down below, it is going to provide me with beginnings of a bibliography and give me some footnotes on here. So this is a way that if you're not sure how to do APA format, when you do your bibliography then, if this is just footnoting in here, you can copy and paste this and make a bibliography out of it, making sure that you put your sources in alphabetical order. This is a really nice citation builder, so that this bottom part here is 100% in APA format. You don't have to worry about it. Up here at the top, if we're going to be doing the true citation for APA format, what we would need up here would be the author's name and the date. So I would come over to my article here, and I'm going to look down, and I see that it's not really a name for this. I can see that, so it's really a corporate type author. But here's my date down here. So 2015 was the first time for the date, and then I would be using the corporate, which would be who it is that's actually like whose site it is, and this one is called Omelette. And then I would put in my date. So then I don't necessarily need that number up there, but I'm not going to delete the number because then it's going to delete my thing down here. So when you turn in your paper, you would be putting your author or your corporate name and then your date of when it was or when it was last put in.